Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this time, we will learn how to use section view in SolidWorks to see section view from this part. Okay, just start it. Click on section view in here. And for section method, we can see two options, planar and zonal. First, we can use planar. Planar means one flat cutting plane. It cut the model straight across. The cut is full and continuous, very common in drawing. For example, we can see from section 1, if we select on front plane, so we can adjust for section. It's cut the model straight across on front plane or front view. We can drag like this, or we can adjust from here, for example in 7 mm in here offset distance. We can also set for X rotation and Y rotation. For example, we can set X rotation in 20 degree, so it's the result like this. Okay, for example, we can reset on 0 degree and 0 mm for offset, and we can to see from section from right plane like this. Like before, we can to adjust from offset distance and X rotation and Y rotation. It's so simple to use section method with planar. Use planar when you want to see the inside of the whole part. You need a standard section view like this. And in two options in here, we can use section method in zonal. In second, we can click on zonal. In here like this, zonal. Zonal means only a small area is cut. It's cut only one specific zone. The rest of the model stays normal and good for showing detail. We can also see isometric section view with section method with zonal in here. And for offset perpendicular to keep on reference plane. For example, in here, for section 1, we can set in right plane. And to make section view from isometric view, just click on section 2 in here, checklist. Because section 1 in right plane, we can set section 2 in front plane like this. Now we can see like this, it is isometric section view. It's so simple. And here we can also edit for color. Maybe this color in this and second color in yellow like this. It's so simple like this to use zonal section view. Use zonal when you want to see one small internal detail. You don't want to cut the whole model. Okay, we can to click OK to see isometric section view from this part. Easy rule to remember. In here, in section view, just click section method in planar and zonal. Planar full cut, for zonal is partial cut. Okay, thank you for watching a little video how to use section view for beginner to intermediate to see section view or isometric section view from this part. Thank you for watching Alien video. I apologize if there are any mistake or error in this tutorial. Thank you for watching Alien video. See you in the next tutorial. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.